What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're going to install the HKS adjustable lowering springs for the Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today we're gonna install the HKS Hipermax springs on the Supra. Okay, so I wanna get rid of this gap. It has like 3 fingers gap in here, and on the rear it's same thing, three fingers. Okay, so I want this to be here. All right, let's use the measure tape to see what's the height right now. So right now is the front 27 and a quarter, and on the rear, let's see, is 28 inches. Okay, so let's start with installation. Okay, there's already a video explaining how to do this, so I'm gonna put the link for this video over there on the top because I don't want to make the video too long. So if you want to know how to install these springs, watch that video. In this one we're gonna be just like a before and after. Okay, I'm gonna, if I see something that is hard to do, I will add it on the video, but if not, just watch the other video. Okay, so this is before stock suspension, stock springs, and let's install them and see how it looks after with the HKS Hipermax springs. Let's open the box, let's see how they look. Okay. So this is the, let me show you, HKS Hipermax. Let's see. Yes. You can see it here. I think these are the fronts. This is the, it's like a coil over thing, but it's just the spring, because the struts from the Supra, they have sensors, so I don't want to remove the stock struts, because if you do that you have to clear the codes and all that. I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna do this, lower it, and that's it, no codes. Cool. So what else? It has this, so everything is included. All the links, I'm gonna put them on the description of the video down below. Okay, this and the tools that I'm gonna use today, everything is gonna be on the description of the video. One more thing, everything is labeled. Okay, this one says rear and the other one front. Amazing. Oh man, so it's gonna look amazing. And also after we do this, I have spacers, but that's for the next video. On this video we're gonna install this only, and on the next video spacers, because let me show you, this one, it's a little bit in the wheel, so we're gonna stick it out a little bit. The rear one too, so it's not flush. I want it flush. All right, so let's start with this thing. All right guys, so wow, it was hard, man. This one doesn't have too many spots to lift it, so only have one and one on the back, so I had to put the jack in here and then put this stand. So I only have two stands, so I'm gonna do this side first, then after I'm done with this side I'll jump into the other side. So let's do this side first. Okay, one thing before you start removing anything, disconnect all the wires. You can see here I got all these disconnected from the strut, and the one on the bottom, there's one in there and here. Okay, so before you remove anything, disconnect that. You don't wanna rip or break any of these wires. It's gonna be expensive if you do that. Okay, so let's continue with this one. Okay guys, first mistake. I have to lift the whole front first because the sway bar, it won't let me remove this. There's the link for the sway bar. It won't let me remove it because it's in an angle and it's pulling the strut. Okay, so I already removed the stand from the rear and I'm gonna put it on the other side. So I'm gonna do the front first, and after I finish this I'm gonna do the rear. Wow. Every time I do something I learn new things and mistakes. Remove the lug nut. Before you remove the lug nut for the strut on anything, remove this end link. If not, it's gonna be a pain to remove that. Okay, and the next thing I have to do, remove this plastic. This is like a metal that's on the top of the strut, and this bump stop I have to cut it. Only one circle, I have to cut it and put the new ones. We're almost there. This is the first one, but I'm learning. Okay, so let's put the new spring. All right, one side is done. You can see it. All the connections are ready. Okay, finally the fronts are done. But let me show you. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit dark, but only one finger gap. So let's finish the rear, and then in the morning we're gonna see the full car. Okay, let's finish this one really quick. Okay, and the rear one is gonna be a little bit more easier, so we have to remove only those 3 bolts over there, and in here, oh, let me see if I can see those 2. 1, 1, 2, and that's it. We have to remove this plastic thing. And that's it. So I think this one is gonna be easier. Okay, let's continue with this. Well, finally it's done. You can see the spring. Yeah, the hardest part was to put this bolt because it wasn't aligned. So to align it was a little bit hard, but I got it. So let's see how this will look outside lowered. Okay guys, the car is ready. Ooh, it looks amazing. Only one finger. I might lower it a little bit more because I want to lower it. And here, one finger. Wow, looks great. Let's go outside to see how it looks, but it's raining, so I hope we can get good shots out there. Okay, let's take it outside. Okay guys, before we take it outside, let's see how much we lower it now. So is 26 and 1/8 of an inch, and on the rear, oh, that was the front. Now the rear is 27, a little bit less than 27. So you can see it there. Oop. Yeah. All right, but I might lower it a little bit more because I still have a space to go a little bit lower. Because what's the point of having a like coilover style if you don't go that low? Okay, so let's take it outside. Wow, beautiful, man. Look at that, big difference, man. It looks more aggressive, and I can still rock a front lip. Look. Wow, have a lot of space for a front lip. Yes. You can see there the space. It's only a finger. I might go lower a little bit, only maybe half of a finger. And the rear, yeah, finger and a half, so I'll go like half of the finger here too. Yes. Man, I still have more mods, but some of them take time to come, so I'm gonna do another simple thing while the other parts get here. But hit the notification bell, we have more mods coming for this one. Some cool and amazing mods for this car. Man, I feel like I'm still on a dream. Man, this is beautiful. Let's go to another place so we can do a walk around in a parking lot. Yes, so let's go to a parking lot. Let's do one pull because let's see how it feels. Yes. Yeah, I love this sound. Yes. It feels stiffer already. I like it. Yes. So in the next video is gonna be the wheel spacers. Alright? So we want to keep the wheels flush to the fenders. So that's the next mod. Let's see, a pull. Man. for gas, man. Had to go to the gas station. Wow, beautiful. Wow, I can't stop looking. Wow, looks beautiful. Woo. Man, look at this. Wow. Yeah, so I might go a little bit lower. Half of that. Yes. Look at this beautiful thing. Man, I love it. Same thing here. One finger. Yes. Same thing here. This is finger and a half on the rear. Okay guys, those are the HKS adjustable lowering springs, the Hipermax. All the links are gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this for your Supra. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. The car looks beautiful, amazing. But let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. And thank you for all you guys that supporting my channel, putting positive comments. Thank you. I like that. So if you like the video, please like the video. That helps a lot for more videos to see, for more people to see this video. Okay, but thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.